It's 10:02 p.m., September 22nd, first day of fall. I'm a beautiful man. I created the BigBeautifulMan.com website. Now, what does it mean? Does it mean I'm a fat, overweight pig? Well, I am overweight, probably. I'm 64. I'm not a big fat pig. Never was. Never will be, probably. Although I have been on court-ordered medication that made me gain weight where I was overweight, and it's probably still hitting me forever. But, that's not what it means. Does it mean how big am I downstairs there? That's a little question I've been asked. And yeah, it does have something to do with that in some ways. A little humor, a little joke, what kind of person are you anyway, asking about that? If that's important. What's important to you? Well, I'm a big, beautiful man because, well, for one thing, I've got my degrees and did everything it took to do it fair and square with all the crap and fraud that took place. And I never fucking did anything to anybody. Other people did shit to me, but I never did anything to anybody. And I took impossible classes that no one else could pass, probably, with all the crap and fraud involved. So very few could pass. So yeah, that makes minimum wage for me $4 billion a year. That $4 billion a year hedge fund paycheck's minimum wage for me. Past due since kindergarten because of punks at Merrill Lynch and Smith Barney and Payne Weber and the license office at the peak have disrespected my degrees and me. That's all those issues are, no one's getting, an owner's an owner, the law's the law. One share owns Merrill Lynch, they owe me $1 trillion for the trespassing shit. Every punk involved gets damaged because they've damaged me for an eye for an eye. The law's a joke. No one's above the law. That includes the lawyers in the courthouse who fucking disrespected me. The lawyers from Merrill Lynch who made up these lies and gotten away with it. The judges in the courthouse who fucking enforce the bullshit. They're all fucking punks, and they have made the courthouse a joke. They're just a bunch of fucking punks, no credibility, scum. Everybody justifies themselves. They justify themselves to their own little group of fucking whatever scum. Investment bankers are the fat, so they have fat, obese people become investment bankers. Or with fat, obese people who try to look pretty faces and shit. It doesn't exist. It's just not even. It's remote. It's just another reason these people are jokes. You're no different than everybody else. ACT percent, GMAT percent. My brother started saying LSAT at last time I ate dinner with him at Christmas or last 2 or 3 years ago, and when Sydney got married, then I fucking couldn't take it or bullshit anymore. He's gonna stab me if I ever say something about the ring again. But LSAT, I don't remember, like 90%, GMAT 93%, ACT 96%, 99% math. You're no different than everybody else, yeah. And that's been disrespected, so it's not acceptable. And who are the people disrespecting me based on those issues of test scores and degrees and from where? They're mysteries to me. They're frauds. They're identity thieves. Real deals, who knows? It doesn't matter. They're fucking punks. They need to pay the price. Because no one's above the law, and the law is precedent to be a bunch of dumbass punks and jokes and frauds and perhaps murderers and identity thieves. That's, no credibility. I got credibility. I've earned it for 64 fucking years. So yeah, I expect $1 billion a month to paycheck. $4 billion a year, I say I'm 12 times better than that. $1 billion a month, that's 3 times better than that. Yeah, that's much better. It's past due for all the punk ass disrespect from scum in the courthouse. And the trickle effect of all that shit being used me to take away my real estate license, but they did shit in those real estate offices, but no police actions. And my hedge fund license, all that shit was used to deny me. It's not acceptable. So yeah, I'm $1 billion a month. Hand me the money, punks. I'm not guilty. I got nothing to hide. You're guilty. You're a hit and run, blindside, scared to come out in public, and yeah.